This is for the table inside the Catalina. So we need a table. We don't have one, so we're gonna make do with this scrap piece of wood we have here now and make a small table. It should be shorter than what should be in there, but this will do. We're just gonna rough it out, put it in there.
What about the width?
I think the width is within the 1/16 of an inch. Kidding me.
What?
The cat just went up inside the motorcycle.
Did she?
Yeah. Come on. I knew that cat was going up in there. The only good thing is she doesn't have any claws.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So what we're going to do is we'll go from, since you can't see on the other side here, so we'll just measure up 2 inches from here, right there, and then go across, and then we're going to end up cutting this, and that'll go against the wall because it's, if you look at the plan, the way these things are supposed to be cut, that's it, 2 inches up. So we'll just hack that off, 2 inches up. I think we'll be okay. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm thinking that this tastes bad when it's in a can compared to on tap.
We'll order a keg of no wake zone.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. We need a kegerator. Here,
We'll put a keg cooler on top. Thank you. Usually you make up your mind which side you want.
whether we want the white.
Whether you want the white or you want the other side.
Oh, I thought you said that little area right there was gonna.
Yeah, you gotta look at the plan. Because it's gotta be cut one direction. Because it contours with the wall of the boat inside.
Oh, okay. So we'll see which side fits,
Yeah.
and then I'll make do with what I got. If I have to deal with the white on the top, I'll do something. I got the Dremel out.
Yeah, once the storm passes, we can go and. Wow, that doesn't look too good.
We just got a.
Yeah, look at the cloud.
Oh wow, that does not. It sure does.
This poor little plane is.
Oh my god. Is it like a weather chaser?
I don't think so. That sure isn't.
No.
Like a little Piper or something.
Yeah, I don't like that. It's moving really quick too.
Yeah.
So we were gonna take her out this morning. Then all of a sudden we got this rainstorm that came out of nowhere, I guess.
Yeah. This tornado freaking activity up there. Do that. I guess this showing you. Yeah, it's 2 inches taller on this side than here. So this side needs to come off. So it angles up against the wall.
Got it. Uh-oh. Battery?
Wow. That actually fits in the hole
Really?
perfectly. So now I'm gonna mount some table mounts right there. So we're only shy just a little bit. So once we get a board that's big enough, we automatically know that's the right thickness now because it fit perfectly down in there.
That's the thickness.
Yeah, it's the thickness. Yep. That'll fit right there. There's our table. Look at that, huh?
Yeah, that's perfect. Like, what are the odds that my dad had a piece of wood that was just perfectly wide
Yeah.
and the thickness?
Yeah. Well, it's 24 wide.
Yeah.
So how I want to do this, I think probably the easiest way to do this is maybe flip this.
Just like that, and then mark it from there. Oh, perfect.
Right in the center.
You got it?
Need to put is these down. That's what we need right there. There you go. So we got the table leg. It's gonna go on the underside here. It just flips up somehow. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Pull it.
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you can just do it like that.
Give it a little.
Yeah. Alright, then you can adjust this as needed.
Whoa.
Alright? Cool. Yeah.
Oh, we need screws for that.
Yeah.
That didn't come with screws either?
No.
How does this stuff not come with screws?
Just doesn't. So I have no idea what I'm doing here, but I'm sure it'll work out. Let me go get some more screws.
Yeah, it's pretty centered.
There we go. Alright. Let's give it a shot, huh? Ah. There we go.
Yeah.
I think this little pin. Oh, so this needs to go what?
Oh, you can adjust the pin.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Well, I didn't want to adjust it down. I wanted to adjust it.
Well, it looks all right.
It's good to me.
Before we waste any time.
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't bad. It's pretty cozy.
I don't mind this. This table. Look at that. It's perfectly level in that last setting. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
This old cushion from a Chase Lounge. Not bad. I could put my feet back there and take a nap here.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, this is fine. You wouldn't be able to be next to me though. So.
Well, thankfully my dad had this piece of wood that was exactly 24 inches. It might be a little too short, but it's free, so it's for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification icon so you get notified the next time we upload our next little project.
Thanks for watching.
See you in our next adventure.